Hello everyone, this video is the last one of the week. It's on IXL R.2. It is about finding the constant of variation. Constant of variation is about change in y over change in x. So change in y is how much you go up and down. It's pretty much is the same as rise. Change in x is all about the vertical difference, the horizontal difference, how many units you go from left to right or from right to left, which means it is about run. Does the formula look familiar? So if not, it's bad. You gotta get back and then work on some slope problems. And I just removed everything from the screen, my bad. So change in y, I would rewrite it over change in x. Change in y is rise and change in x is run, which is the slope. Basically, these questions are all about finding the slope. It's the same type of question as you had on Monday's assignment, I believe. So pick 2 points that you can see the coordinates of, like here, and figure out the slope from one point to the other. So the rise is 5, the run is 4. This right here is 4 units, that's 5 units. So the rise over run would be 5 over 4. So in the directions of this question is write your answer as a decimal or integer. So 5 over 4 is not an integer. You cannot type a fraction for these answers according to the instructions. So what you would do, basically use a calculator to divide these two and convert it into a decimal, and then type your answer and move on. Okay, so let's see. The next one, by the way, this one would be 1.25, I believe. I forgot to answer 5 over 4. When you divide these two numbers, you will get 1.25. That will be the answer for this one. Moving on to the next level, let's see what it is. Okay, you're gonna see this question when you make it to 81. So I'm not gonna do that question. Let me just, by the way, just in case I have some students, because I know I do have students who try to get 100 on these assignments. So let me just do one of this. Okay, what is the cost per guest? Okay, I want to figure out the change in y and divide it by change in x. Okay, change in y, because it says cost per guest. So it's like cost over guest. So cost is y, that goes at the top. That's why it says change in y at the top. And then guests is the number of x, that goes in the bottom. Okay, let's find a change in y. It is, I have two y values. One of them is 6, the other one is 23. Subtract them. $23 minus $6. For the number of guests, which means the change in x is the same. That's just a coincidence. 23 guests minus 6 guests. So for both of the numerator and denominator, you are going to end up with the same number. 17 at the top, 17 in the bottom. When you divide a number by itself, you get 1. So $1 per guest. That would be our answer. So I still want to get back down one level to do one more question. Real quick, what's the constant of variation? Basically, it tells you to find the slope. Pick this point. Realize that the grids do not go by ones, they go by tens in here. There's 1 point, there's another. So this is up 30 over 10. So 30 is my rise, 10 is my run. When you divide these two numbers, you get 3. That would be the answer. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment below if you still have any questions. Don't forget to like the video, and if you still did not subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications whenever I upload another video about your homework assignments. Thanks again. I will see you in another video.